The carbon cycle is the biochemical cycle by which carbon is exchanged among the biosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere of the Earth. It describes the movement of carbon as it is recycled and reused throughout the biosphere.
The carbon cycle is the great natural recycler of carbon atoms. Unfortunately, the extent of its importance is rarely stressed enough. Carbon is released into the atmosphere when fossil fuels are burned, like in the cars.
Here the plants use the photosynthesis to produce carbohydrates, and then the animals eat the plants, and then the carbon is released into the atmosphere during respiration. Here is an example in which the carbon cycle starts.
The main chemical reactions in the carbon cycle are photosynthesis, respiration, and carbonates.
And for the photosynthesis, the formula is carbon dioxide plus water and sunlight. It produces carbohydrates and oxygen. For respiration, are oxygen plus carbohydrates. It produces energy, water, and carbon dioxide. And for carbonates is carbon dioxide, water, and it produces carbon.
The concentration of carbon dioxide in Earth's atmosphere has reached 391 parts per million as October 2012 and rose by 2 parts per million during 2000 to 2009.
In 2009, the carbon dioxide global average concentration in Earth's atmosphere was about 387 parts per million.
The causes of the increasing concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere are the burning fossil fuels, by cutting down forests, and by the greenhouse effect. And the effects are
the increasing of CO2 levels on marine life. When the oceans absorb CO2, the chemical reaction takes place, produces carbonic acid, which increases the acidity of seawater. And another effect is the changing of weather patterns.
This is the photosynthesis chemical reaction. It is classified as a single displacement, that is when one element changes place with another element.
This is the respiration chemical reaction, where that is combustion, and it involves oxygen. And this is the carbonate chemical reaction, that is synthesis. It's when two compounds combine to form another.
In this project we learned that how it is involved that carbon cycle in the atmosphere, how this affects us if we don't take care. Also, we learned the chemical reactions that are involved and the classification, and all that information take us to know how to prevent it.
To solve the problem of global warming, we can recycle more,
use less the car,
And take care of